great honor address this distinguished gathering of the women military officers participating in the United Nations Women Military Observers Course. The presence of officers from 15 countries across the globe here today reflects the microcosm of the United Nations and its enduring spirit of unity and cooperation. Friends, when I came to know that the UN peacekeepers are often referred to as blue helmets, I began reflecting on the color blue in nature and its deeper significance. Blue is the color of the vast sky that stretches above us all, reminding us that we share one world and one atmosphere. It is also the color of the oceans that connect continents, and blue in its essence is calming, unifying, and boundless. In the same way, UN peacekeepers embody these very qualities. Like the sky, they offer protection and a sense of security. Like the oceans, they build connections across borders and cultures. The blue helmet symbolizes not only the authority of the United Nations, but also its commitments to peace, stability, and the shared humanity. It is a color that stands as a beacon of hope for those caught in conflicts. In this spirit of hope and unity, the role of women peacekeepers becomes even more vital, adding new dimensions of trust, inclusivity, and effectiveness to the UN missions. Friends, as you may be aware, the United Nations has set clear targets to increase the participation of the women officers in peacekeeping missions. This commitment stems from the recognition that the women peacekeepers are essential to making missions more effective, inclusive, and sustainable. Women officers bring invaluable perspectives and approaches to peace operations. They are often able to foster deeper trust with local communities, particularly with women and children, whose voices are vital in rebuilding societies torn by conflict. Their presence has been shown to help prevent sexual violence, improve access to humanitarian assistance, and increase gender equality on the ground. Moreover, women peacekeepers serve as powerful role models, inspiring local women and girls to see themselves as active participants in peace and security. India's own journey in peacekeeping reflects this very belief in the power and the potential of the women officers.